In what could be seen as a major victory for Tesla, a California state court jury has handed the electric vehicle maker a sweeping win over allegations that its Autopilot feature had failed in what appeared to be the first trial related to a crash involving the partially automated driving software. The April 21 verdict came after Los Angeles resident Justine Su sued Tesla in 2020, claiming that her Tesla Model S had swerved into a curb while on autopilot and that an airbag was deployed so violently that it fractured her jaw, knocked out teeth, and caused nerve damage to her face. Su had alleged defects in the design of autopilot and the airbag, seeking more than $3 million in damages. However, the jury awarded her zero damages after finding that the airbag did not fail to perform safely and that Tesla did not intentionally fail to disclose facts. The jury also concluded that Tesla's autopilot feature did not fail. The verdict is significant for Tesla, which has been testing and rolling out its autopilot and more advanced full self-driving (FSD) system, which Chief Executive Elon Musk has touted as crucial to his company's future but which has drawn regulatory and legal scrutiny. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for future lawsuits involving Tesla's autopilot system and other autonomous driving technologies. Tesla has repeatedly emphasized that its autopilot system does not make its vehicles fully autonomous and that drivers must remain alert and ready to take control at any time. The company also warns against using autopilot on city streets, yet Su claimed that she had done so despite the warning in the user manual. Despite the verdict in Tesla's favor, the case highlights the ongoing debate surrounding the safety of autonomous driving systems. Critics argue that such systems can lull drivers into a false sense of security, leading them to take their hands off the wheel and focus on other tasks, while proponents argue that such systems can significantly reduce accidents caused by human error. The jury's decision appears to have been influenced by Tesla's warning that its autopilot system is not a self-piloted system and that driver distraction was to blame for the crash. The verdict underscores the importance of drivers understanding the limitations of autonomous driving technologies and following the manufacturer's warnings and guidelines. The case also highlights the need for clear regulations governing the use of autonomous driving features. As automakers continue to develop and roll out these technologies, it will be important to establish industry-wide standards to ensure the safe and responsible deployment of autonomous vehicles. In the meantime, the outcome of this case is likely to have significant implications for Tesla and the broader automotive industry, particularly as more drivers become accustomed to using autonomous driving features. The verdict may also provide some reassurance to automakers and consumers alike, as it reinforces the idea that autonomous driving systems are still subject to human error and that drivers must remain vigilant and engaged at all times. Tesla shares gained 1.3% to close at $165.08 on Friday after the verdict was announced. However, the emotional toll of the case was evident in Su's reaction outside the courtroom, where she broke down in tears. Her attorney expressed disappointment with the result but did not comment further. Overall, the verdict in this case serves as a reminder of the importance of responsible use of autonomous driving technologies and the need for clear guidelines and standards to ensure their safe deployment. It also highlights the ongoing debate surrounding the safety of such systems and the potential legal consequences of crashes involving autonomous vehicles. For now, however, Tesla can celebrate a major victory in court and focus on continuing to develop and improve its autonomous driving technologies.